We'll guide you through how to use ClickUp calculations and formula fields. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. Open the list within the space that you want to use before continuing. To use ClickUp calculations and formula fields, make sure you already have 2 number fields and 1 formula field in your list. If you do not have these fields yet, click the plus icon on the right side of the field to add a new field. Scroll down through the available field types, and you can select number to create 2 number field. Next, you can select formula from the available field types to create a formula field. Once all required fields have been added successfully, close the field panel and return to your list. To use calculations and formula fields, click each number field and enter the values that you want to calculate. You can enter any numbers according to your requirements, depending on the type of calculation you want to perform. After entering the values into both number fields, click the formula field to open the formula panel and begin configuring the calculation. Inside the formula panel, click the first field selector and scroll down through the available fields until you find your first number field, then select it. Next, click the second field selector and scroll down again to select your second number field. After both fields have been selected, choose the calculation that you want to use, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, according to your needs. Once the formula has been configured, click Calculate to apply the formula. You have now successfully used ClickUp calculations and formula fields. Whenever you update the values in either number field, the formula field will automatically recalculate the result.